Hello children, we have already known about phrases. Let's know what are clauses. What is a clause? A clause is a group of words with a subject and a predicate. It is usually a part of sentence or a sentence by itself. Example: the sky looks blue. Here we have the subject, the sky. Looks blue is the predicate. The children are playing together. In this sentence, we have the children as the subject, are playing together is the predicate. So we can say that a clause is group of words that has a subject and a predicate, and it can stand alone. It can be a sentence by itself. Now let's take another example. I was doing my homework when Rajan called me. Here we have I as the subject, was doing my homework, the predicate. And again in the second part also we have Rajan as the subject and called me as the predicate. So we can say there are two clauses. The first clause is I was doing my homework, and the second clause is when Rajan called me. So here the first clause is completing the sentence, that is the first part of the sentence I was doing my homework. Both have the subject verb combination, but one is completing the sentence, another one is not completing the sentence. When Rajan called me is not completing the sentence. The question arises, what happened when Rajan called me? But I was doing my homework is a complete sentence. So we can say a clause may or may not complete the thought. Types of clauses: independent clause and dependent clause. Independent clause is a clause that makes complete sense on its own. It is also known as main clause or independent clause. It has a complete meaning by itself. For example, I see him every day. You may sit. I was sleeping. These clauses complete the sentence by itself. They do not require any other clause or words to complete the sentence. Dependent clause. A clause that does not make complete sense on its own is called a dependent clause or a subordinate clause. For example, when I go for a walk, whenever you get a seat, when he came. So these are not completing the thought. These clauses are not completing the thought. They require some other clause or some other words to complete their sense. For example, when I go for a walk, When I go for a walk, what? Whenever you get a seat. Again, it's not clear what I have to do whenever I get a seat. When he came. What happened when he came? But when we add another clause to it, it completes the meaning. So it depends on another clause to complete its sense or thought. So this is about the clauses.